If you guys are looking for a place to trade XRP, check out our sponsor crypto exchange BITUNIX. We have no KYC and no VPN. Link is in the description below. We have the Fear and Greed Index hitting an all-time low of 11 during 11/12. We do have extreme fear in the markets. And guys, usually, whenever we see extreme fear happening in the markets, is usually followed by a reversal, a bull run. So right now, we are bullish, as right now majority of investors, traders are bearish. And with the Fear and Greed Index being at 11, as Warren Buffett has said, be fearful when everyone is greedy, be greedy when everyone is fearful. Right now, we're buying as much XRP as we can. And we also have the Crypto Fear and Greed Index dropping to 10, the lowest ever recorded by CMC. So again, guys, it is all about psychology, and the 1% always pull their reverse psychology cards on us, right? Whenever we believe the markets are bullish, they dump the markets. Whenever we believe that the markets are bearish, they pump the markets. And so right now we will have the latter happening. Majority of investors are bearish. We will see the bull run beginning. And we also have a 3-year delta as well from this post from XRP Insider 311. We have the moon and stars. We have astrology with a reference to the moon. Do we have XRP mooning, as we have the ISO 20022 migration happening yesterday on November 22nd, and we have XRP futures skyrocketing on BITUNIX. We have the activity exploding by 2,668% in one day, hitting $100.57 million in volume, and it is still elevated at nearly 600% in the past 24 hours. So right now we have a ton of volume for XRP on the BITUNIX exchange, which is bullish. High volume also leads to a bull run as well. And we do have the XRP monthly charts. We have a double retest of the double bottom breakout. So we can see we do have a double bottom coming in, which means that we should see again, potential reversal coming in. XRP holding above this very strong level of support. So right now we are going through bullish price action. We could see a double bottom chart pattern playing out, leading to a XRP pump. And we have Bitcoin's weekly RSI only being this low twice, and that was during the 2019 and 2022 bear market. So we do have the RSI indicator telling us that we have potentially hit a bottom for the crypto market as well, which is another major sign of a reversal coming in, as we talked about with XRP. And this is what happened with XRP back in Q4 of 2016. Guys, history is literally repeating itself. We have XRP getting crushed in a brutal shakeout. We have price dropping to just 0.0054, then exploding to $3 in months. We had a 55,000% gain, or a 554x. Now with spot ETFs now live, Ripple driving real world adoption, cross-border payments plus tokenization, strategic reserves by companies and countries, pro-crypto policy shift in the US, XRP, an American-made asset aligned with the next political wave pushed by President Trump, and Ripple CEO and legal counsel talking with President Trump. Guys, with all these happening, we are still extremely bullish in the markets, and we can see, guys, we are back in Q4 of 2016. We also had XRP having a massive dump, and we also had, we can see a flash crash happening to XRP. And then after the flash crash, XRP continuing to fall down. As you guys can see in the video, price is going down. And then we have the reversal coming in, XRP going parabolic. So we are expecting this move to essentially happen again. Let me just play the video, as it was a bit choppy. So we can see we do have the full price action. Let me just play it on 2x speed. And we could see this happening by Q4 or Q1 of 2026 based on historical data. Guys, this massive move coming in next. So obviously it's not the time to sell. And we also have pretty big things happening in the charts as well. We have a buy signal forming on the daily time frame, which is another indicator hinting at a reversal coming in for XRP. So if we do get this buy signal getting confirmed today, I'll be buying even more XRP. And from Bubba, we have, if you're going to complain, sell your XRP. Like I said, since 2020, 99% won't make it. Do you think we were lying? And as BG123 said, we have the king accumulating XRP, as we have the king market makers dumping the price of XRP and fools selling their XRP. So at the end, price is manipulated. So the only thing we can do is buy, hold XRP long term. And we do have a delta coming up from BG123. We have from this tweet 7 years ago, back in 2017, April 30th, we have, try not to sell your XRP today before 6 p.m. EST, between Sunday at 6 p.m. EST and Monday 9 a.m. EST HODL. So we have to hold our XRP till tomorrow. And from this tweet to this day is 102 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. We have the 333 number. And for Mr. Pool, 333, 11/26/21. So we do have another big day coming up, 11/26. And also today as well. Guys, does this mark the beginning of the XRP bull run? We have BG123 telling us to hold our XRP till tomorrow. And we do have a 33 delta, 3 delta, 333 delta. And on top of that, we have Hunter Horsley, CEO at Bitwise. We had the recent launch of their XRP spot ETF. He is still bullish in the markets. Very bullish tweet. He says, RIP 4-year cycles 2011 to 2025. So if the 4-year Bitcoin cycle is still in play, then the top of the market should be 2025, in this case back in October 6th, as called by Anonymous. And then we have the bear market activating next year, 2026, right? So we have Bitcoin pumping after the halving and peaking the next year, then crashing. We had the halving back in 2024. And so this means 2025. We have Bitcoin going parabolic, which we did. Bitcoin making a new all-time high around $126,000. And then after that, guys, again, if the 4-year cycle repeats, we should see a Bitcoin crash, the bear market coming in. But we have confirmation of the 4-year cycle now ending in 2025. So as said by Anonymous and now confirmed by Hunter Horsley, we should see the bull market continue in 2026, and Bitcoin cryptos XRP going absolutely parabolic, as foretold by the XRP insiders. Stay in until 2026, as set by the big shorts, and we have Anonymous calling for a $1 million Bitcoin in 2026 and telling everyone that's not to sell. We still have a lot more upside to come. And from Mr. Pool, we have a big delta coming up. We have Rolls-Royce on 11/27, which is Thanksgiving. Thursday, we have a delta coming up. Again, based on the last video, could we see a XRP pump coming in, as we are literally following the Q4 2016 price action? We had a flash crash, mass liquidations, and then XRP going parabolic, right? Exact same thing is happening right now as we speak. And we have the RLUSD flipping flare now at 60. We have a $1.03 billion market cap. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Guys, this is massive growth for the RLUSD, and eventually we will see the Ripple USD becoming a top 10 crypto in terms of market cap.